Okay, there is another question. It says a cone is removed from a solid wooden hemisphere of radius 3 centimeter. All right, and the cone has radius 3 centimeter and height 2 centimeter. We need to find the volume of remaining wood, and that is K pi centimeter cube. So it means our answer should be in this form, means in the form of pi. Remember that. So let's take a start. So there are two shapes. You need to identify first how many shapes are given here. So there are two shapes. So you need to find the volume of remaining wood. This is a wood that is basically in a form of sphere. All right. And you have to remove a conical part that is in this form. You have to remove it. And what is left? The left portion is basically our remaining wood. So you have to calculate the volume of remaining wood. Got it? So it means we need to calculate the volume of this hemisphere, or let me write properly under it. We need to calculate the volume of hemisphere and volume of cone, and then we can subtract both of them, right? Let's take a start. Very easy question. Okay, what is the formula of hemisphere? Go back to the question statement. The volume of sphere is given, so hemi means half of it, right? Or you can say whatever the formula of sphere is given, you can just do half of it. Okay, so how can you do half of it? The formula is 4/3 into pi r cube, and divided by 2. You can write it as it is because it's very difficult to put a line here and divide by 2 because we have already a fractional coefficient here. So it is better to go with divided by 2. My bad. Like this. All right. Okay. And what about the formula of cone? Let me put the brackets here to separate it. Okay. So the formula of cone is what? That is, it's also given, that is 1/3 of pi r square h. 1/3 of base area into height. Remember that, okay? So it will be 1/3 of pi r square h. Okay. So now we will substitute the values. What is the radius of hemisphere? That is 3. Got it? So it means we need to put 3 instead of r. That will be 3 cube divided by 2. All right. And here I need to put r and h both of cone. What is the r of cone? That is also 3. Correct. And what is the height of cone? It is given. Look at the question or picture and you will get the value of h. That is 2. Okay. Now we will solve it. 1/3 pi 9 into 2. We can even cancel it. All right. And 4/3. 3 cube is 27. 27 pi divided by 2. Now you can take its reciprocal. 1/2. 3 ones are 3. 3 9s are 27, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. You can do the cancellation and get the answer. Now you will get it 2 9s are 18 pi, and here you are getting 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and 6 pi minus 6 pi. So finally we are getting the answer 12 pi. So basically we are getting the answer 12 pi. So this is the time to go back to the question statement. The question statement says you have to leave your answer in the form of pi. So whatever the coefficient of pi will be the value of k. So it means k pi. So you can say that k is 12. So you can write it in a line of answer, k is 12. Alright.